Hello students, welcome to English Online today. I am going to explain the 10th class English poem Fire and Ice written by Robert Frost. Now, let us know about the poet Robert Frost. Robert Frost was born on March 26, 1874 in San Francisco, California. Robert Frost is a highly acclaimed American poet of the 20th century. He wrote of the characters, people, and landscapes. His poems are concerned with human tragedies and fears. His reaction to the complexities of life and his ultimate acceptance of his burdens. In 1924, he got Pulitzer Prize. He got this prize 4 times. What is Pulitzer Prize? It is an award for achievements in newspaper, magazine, and online journalism, literature, and musical composition in United States, presented by Columbia University, New York. Now, let us see the title of the poem. The title of the poem is Fire and Ice. Here we see two opposite words, fire and ice. Fire is opposite of ice. The poetic device used in the title of the poem is oxymoron. What is oxymoron? Oxymoron is a poetic device. Two words with opposite ideas found in a sentence is called oxymoron. Now, only 9 lines long, this little poem is a brilliant example of Robert Frost's concisely ironic literary style. The poem varies between 2-meter lengths, either 8 syllables or 4 syllables. This short poem outlines the familiar questions about the fate of the world, wondering if it is more likely to be destroyed by fire or ice. People are on both sides of the debate. Some people say that the world will end in fire. They believe in what the Bible says. Others say that the world will end in ice. They believe in what the scientists say. The poet has used fire and ice as the symbol of desire and hate. In the fire of desire or lust, a man burns himself completely as in a fire. And hate chills to death all springs of love in a man's heart. Desire and hate can destroy the world twice. Here, the poet first concludes that the world must end in fire. After considering his personal experience with desire and passion, the emotions of fire, yet after considering his experience with ice or hatred, the narrator acknowledges that ice would be equally destructive. Here, world can be recognized as a metaphor for a relationship. Too much fire and passion can equally consume a relationship, while cold indifference and hate can be equally destructive. This is the gist of the poem, The Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost. Thank you a lot for watching and listening my video very carefully and silently.